We start with 1 hour chart. Okay, if we refer to our analysis, we have been looking for the reversal. As we can see, we get the reversal, but any trade setup we get based on lower time frame, the only things we could get based on 1 hour chart was here. As we can see, there is no much changes. Still, it maintained the up move, but the way is moving is really corrective. Okay, and in this case, we want to see what's the next. And if we move to daily chart, this is what we have been looking for. But now the question whether this is a content to a correction for one more drop, because we mentioned maybe the price can retest 0.04. That's why we mentioned if you're looking for the trade for buy, we need to have the proper trade setup. By the way, still we're looking for this correction. Any buy setup, we take it. If we get, we take it. And if we move to forward chart, again, as we can see, the way is moving is really corrective, and especially from what we have here, mostly we can expect the price to drop. If there is any drop with a breakout of 0.0515, we expect the price to drop to 0.048. If we want to look for sell, the only thing is we want to get a sharp move flag for continuation. Okay, but right now we don't have any trade setup either for buy or sell. We want to see what we get here. Mostly we'll be more interested if we get a correction for continuation. If we get a correction, as I mentioned, we can look for buy. If we get any sharp move with the flag, we can look for sell, because we have been looking for the reversal we get, but the way it's moving is really corrective. And if we move to 1 hour chart, as we can see here, if there is a continuation, any flag, we can look for sell. But the only times we can look for buy if this one start to correct. Okay, as I explained, there is no much changes in relative to what, I mean, if we compare to what analysis in my last video, but the only thing is what we have here, up move, but this is really corrective. That's why the only way to trade was to trade based on 15 minutes. Based on 1 hour chart, we didn't get proper trade setup. And any trade we explain based on 15 minutes, we consider as a short-term buy. And now we can expect this one turn to a flat for one move up. This is what we can look for right now. But if there is a continuation, we get the flag, then mostly we can look for one more drop. That's why if anyone is in the trade within this move, they should right now they start to manage, at least move their stop loss to break even if they want to keep the trade. Anyway, we don't have any trade setup. Still, we have to see what we get here, either correction for continuation or for drop. But if there is a continuation similar to what we have here as a corrective, mostly we cannot get a really good trade setup. By the way, we just follow the chart, and we need to be quite careful. May the price drop, because if the next drop, we can look for 0.048. In this case, we just follow the chart. If I see any trade setup or update, I will share. Thanks.